My team here at Bath are involved in space weather research, and in order to do that you need to make very accurate specifications of the ionosphere, nowcasts and forecasts. A lot of the measurements we take tend to be up at the polar regions. We've put receivers out all the way from the British Antarctic Survey bases in Rother and Halley, right across the remote regions of Antarctica and into the United States base at the South Pole. And those receivers collect measurements all the time, and then we can bring those back here and combine them together to make sophisticated models of the ionosphere. The ionosphere is the upper atmosphere, and it's the part of the atmosphere where we have satellites and the aurora, for example. My particular research area is looking at the effects of the ionosphere. Anything that we are relying on technologically using a satellite will, in some sense, be affected by the ionosphere. For example, if you're driving your car, then you're very happy if your sat-nav is working, and you're not terribly upset if it breaks for a little while. However, if you're relying on that for an autonomous system like an aeroplane or a self-drive car, it becomes much more important that it's working all of the time. One of the commercial companies that we work with is Spirent, and the project that we're doing with them is to make a space weather specification in their simulator of satellite navigation systems for testing and developing better satellite navigation receivers. As part of my Royal Society Wolfson Fellowship, I had the opportunity to go on the Imperial College business courses. That taught me an awful lot about how research can become commercialised. And so I can bring a lot more of the technical ideas, and they know how to translate them into real products. In this particular partnership with Spirent, 2 of my PhD students are both going to be going to work there. Giving them the right training and putting them to companies is an incredibly important commercial product.
The knowledge I've developed at the University of Bath regarding GPS to the ionosphere helped me to obtain a position in Spirent, because they were looking for people that knew about GPS signal, receivers and algorithms.
The Royal Society has been incredibly important in my research because through the Wolfson Award, they've given me time and space to think about the research, to take a perspective on the big picture of what I'm doing, and to take that forward into a commercialisation environment. It's nice to know that what I've done is useful and they can actually take it forward and use it.